To save time kneading the dough, we'll make quick cottage cheese pancakes with green onions right in the frying pan. Let's start with the filling. Take a small bunch of green onions and finely chop them. These pancakes are quick and easy to make, yet they have a rich cheesy flavor, and the aroma is simply wonderful, especially thanks to the fresh green onions. We'll be using 2 types of cheese. 100 grams of cheddar, which makes the dough soft and tender, and 100 grams of suluguni, a Georgian cheese. According to one version, the name suluguni comes from the Georgian words sulo, soul, and guni, heart. So this is a cheese made with soul and heart. Crack 1 egg. Since this egg has 2 yolks, we'll save both for the dough. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Pour in 150 grams of room temperature kefir and sift in 180 grams of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything thoroughly until smooth and add the prepared cheese mixture. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. The green onions add a slight tang and freshness to the dough. The aroma is already amazing, and we haven't even started frying yet. Grease the frying pan with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. The dough is thick, so use 2 spoons to form it. Grease the spoon with oil to prevent the dough from sticking, and spread it out evenly. This amount will make 3 flatbreads. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Once the surface is matte and no raw dough remains, flip it over and cook for another 5 minutes. Carefully lift the lid. Condensation will collect underneath, which is normal. Look at this beauty. So golden and delicious. Make these flatbreads. They're quick, easy, and delicious. Just fry one, and they're ready to serve. This recipe makes flatbreads thin, crispy on the outside, and cheesy on the inside. The combination of cheeses makes them taste like khachapuri, beautiful, delicious, and very easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon with more delicious recipes. Bye!